Breakout trading gives you the ability to make the trade and take the profit. But you need to know some basic stuff before you try to execute this in the crypto market, because some of these give you an added advantage over the market. And then you have the crypto market, which is right now doing this one pattern and another pattern inside. So pattern inside pattern, and you may have a breakout. There are rules for that particular breakout too when you combine with these techniques. So let's actually dive into that one. So now that you're looking at these breakout patterns, you are clearly looking like, okay, these are on a daily chart. Fine. So you get this pattern. Initially, it's not actually within the trend. The trend is weak. Then it falls into the trend. The trend continuation gives you, by the time it reaches the end, it is inside that particular trend. So these are like triangles. Now you have triangles, pennants, and a lot of different patterns, but this applies to all of it. Now imagine this is your pattern which you're trying to wait for the breakout, whether it's breaking to the upside, whether it's breaking to the downside, whether you're a bull or a bear. This applies to you. Take this one as a zoomed in version of the same, say the end part of these. You go zoom in this area on a 12-hour or a 4-hour chart like this. So you're getting a breakout. But there is a key idea to this. Say if that breakout is like this, say for example your average true range is 25 points for this particular asset on a daily, and you get a 10-point higher breakout. That's actually a weak breakout. It's hard to actually trust that and enter into a trade if it's 25 points. So you're actually literally waiting to see something like this, which is close to 25, and then you're trying to combine it with the volume. If the volume happens to signal that people are coming in and buying here, that kind of gives you the idea, okay, it's not only you, the market is considering that as a breakout and they are entering. So the average true range, you take that and look the size of the breakout. Then you look at the volume. If you can combine these breakout actually happens to be the most profitable stuff. Then the next one is patterns inside the patterns. So that happens like this. Right now you have this pattern inside a crypto project. So here there is a key to it, right? Again, like you are trading, fine. Everyone is trying to trade and make money. What is the important stuff here? Say here, the first one, you actually have a short-term breakout scenario. Now, even if it actually breaks out with the ATR, it's a short-term pattern breaking with the ATR. And imagine you're inside this pattern. What happens? You have a strong resistance here. That's your major pattern. So here this one is your medium-term pattern and this one is your short-term pattern. So if the short-term pattern breaks out just to hit the medium-term resistance, it's going to get rejected. Chances are like that. But imagine you're actually breaking the short-term pattern close to the medium-term pattern, and by the ATR of that day, both of it is broken. That's huge, because now your measured move, one for medium is this, it goes all the way up. Then for the short term, you take this as measured move, plot it here. So it comes this range. Now we have two targets. It's most likely going to correct after this and then go back up. So if you're taking profits here, you may be able to buy back here if you're a perfect trader looking for a double bottom or a reversal pattern or a short time frame. But another stuff is, first the medium term breaks out and then the short term. That's completely fine, because the medium term, if that's breaking higher and there you get the resistance of short term, most likely it is going to break to the upside. So if you combine these, you actually get to make money in trading. So if you learned something new in today's TA session and you want to learn further from another short segment, you can look at this one. Or else, if you really want to learn from fundamental current affairs and TA session, you can look at this one. So guys, if you received value, please do hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done that already. That supports the channel a lot. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.